Understanding Discount Card, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter while shopping or browsing offers. Discount card. This phrase is not only useful, but it also gives us a glimpse into everyday language usage. Let's dive in. A discount card is a card issued by a store or company that entitles the holder to special discounts on their products or services. These cards are often free, but sometimes they might require a fee or membership. The key point is, they help you save money on purchases. There are several types of discount cards. Some are store-specific, meaning they can only be used in a particular store. Others are brand-specific, offering discounts on a certain brand's products. Lastly, there are membership cards, which require joining a club or group to receive discounts. Using a discount card is simple. When you make a purchase, present your card at the checkout. The cashier will scan it or enter its details, and the discount is applied to your purchase. It's a straightforward way to enjoy savings. Discount cards offer several benefits. They can lead to significant savings over time, especially on frequent purchases. They also encourage customer loyalty, as shoppers are more likely to return to a store where they can get discounts. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what a discount card is and how it can be beneficial. Remember, a discount card is a great tool for saving money while shopping. Happy learning and happy shopping!